Hello, my name is Indra Vyasa. Uh, the Mackenzie their holds in a hurry when the court judged them guilty of corruption. Correct answer A. So, explanation: the sentence refers to a complete action in the past, specifically at the moment when the court judged them guilty of corruption. This clearly is places the time of the action in the past. We ask the simple past tense. So for complete action that happened at a specific time in the past. Other option B. We're selling. Past continuous. World suggests the action was in progress, but in a hurry implies a complete, sudden action, not a gradual one. C. Are selling prison set continuous incorrect because the event in the past. D. Has so prison perfect incorrect because it refers to a recent action that has relevance to the present, but the context is very fast. Correct sentence: the Mackenzie sold the houses in a hurry when the court judged them guilty of corruption. The old tenants the property in March because their son asked them to move in with him. Correct answer A. Vacated. Explanation: the purse in March refers to a specific time in the past. The correct tense to describe complete action at a definite time in the past is the simple past tense. So, the old tenant purchased the property in March is grammatically and logically incorrect. Other option B. We are purchasing past continuous implies the action was in progress at a certain time, but in March is too general for the usage. C. Has preceded present perfect incorrect because it refers to recent past action with, without a specific time, while in March is a clear time reference. D. Was questioning. Same issue as option B and also tenants is a plural. So we will sue, she will, so we will use where not was. Correct sentence: the old tenants purchased the property in March because their son asked them to move in with him. We did visit for the last couple of months. Now we can only wait for the stakeholders' decision. Correct answer D. Have not reported. Explanation: the past for the last couple of months indicates a time period that started in the past and continues of the patient. For the king of time frame, the correct tense is the present perfect. Have or has plus past participle. Since the subject is we us have we haven't reported a deficit. Other option A. Didn't report the simple past. Used for completed action at a specific time in the past. But here the time Prime include the present. D. We are not repeating. We are not repeating. Past continuous. What imply the action was in progress but not complete, which doesn't fit the context. Hasn't reported. Incorrect. Subject verb agreement. Correct sentence. We haven't reported devices for the last couple of months. Of months. Of months. Now we can only wait for the stakeholders' decision. Since June, Jack from the accounting it critic to the office because his car was stolen. Correct answer D. Has been working. Explanation: the past since June refers to an action that started in the past and is still continuing up to the present. The best tense for the king of situation is the present perfect continuous, especially when we want to emphasize the duration or contingency of the action. So, Jack has been working to the office since June. In place, he started working in June and I still doing it now. Other option A. Works. Simple present. Describe a habit but doesn't match with since June, which implies duration. B. Is working. Present continuous. Used for action happening right now, not since a point in the past. C. Has work. Has work. Present perfect. Possible but not strong. As a present perfect continuous in showing ongoing action. Correct sentence. Since June, Jack from the accounting has been working to the office because his car was stolen. My boss visited to Australia next month to open a new restaurant. Correct answer B is traveling. Explanation: the past next month refers to a future plan. In English, when we will talk about a planet future arrangement, especially when it's already decided or scheduled, we often use the present continuous tense be first verb in. So my boss is traveling to Australia next month. Means the trip is already arranged or confirmed. Other option A. Travels. Present simple present simple is usually used for habitual action or timetables, not personal future plans. C. Has traveled. Present perfect refers to experience or action that happened in the past with relevance to the present. It doesn't fit with next month. D. Has been traveling. Present perfect continuous refers to an ongoing activity that started in the past and is still happening. Again, not suitable for a future plan. Correct sentence: my boss is traveling to Australia next month to open a new restaurant.